Welcome to El Torito restaurant. Today I will be your waiter. Here is your menu. I will return a few minutes to take your order.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, can I get some water?
Yeah, sure, I'll be back in a moment.
Hey, what would you like to eat today? I would like a buffet style barbecue. What do you say?
I don't know, I really don't want something heavy. I think I love is solid. I've been feeling some tongue cake lately.
Oh, really? Okay. I'll ask for barbecue. I haven't eaten well today and I am a little hungry.
Alright, food. Can I take your order now?
Yes, of course. What's price of the barbecue?
The barbecue is priced at $250, including pork, beef, chorizo, beans, and cheese.
That's good. And what is the price of the salad?
The salad has a cost of $235. Green letter, tomato, pepper, cheese cubes, ham, and avocado.
Oh, it's great.
Very good. Then we will order a barbecue of 2015 and the salad of 2035.
Alright, what do you want to drink?
For me, a potato cook. And what do you want?
Oh, I want telemetry, please.
Okay, your order will go out in 15 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.